shadow falls across the floor, a quiet storm I can't ignore. Your voice a whisper through the night, it pulls me close, it feels so right. The world can burn, let chaos reign, but in your arms I feel no pain. A fragile strength that binds us tight, an endless flame that fuels our fight. Through fire and ash I'll stand with you. No storm can break what we've been through. The sky could fall, the seas could rise. Our love will shine through endless skies. Your heartbeat's rhythm guides my way, a compass through the darkest day. The echoes linger soft and clear, a melody that holds me near. Let the earth quake, this love's a vow we'll never break. A symphony of hearts entwined, a timeless bond by fate designed.